Hello, and in today's video, I'll be riding on Antwerp's tram network. This video, part 1, will be on the line 1 from Opera to Kasteelplein. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. I'm here at Opera tram station in Antwerp. Opera is a station on the Antwerp tramway, and it has a short connection to the Antwerp pre-metro that will be explained in parts 2. The tram I'll be riding in this journey is the Kasteelplein 100 tram, delivered to the line in 2022. The line has waited long for this tram, having ordered them in 2017. This is the route I'll be travelling on, from Opera to Kasteelplein. Looking out the window, I can see that these trams get the priority of traffic on the road. The interior of these trams feature a bell, quite comfortable seats, and multiple displays to let passengers know where they are. In the tram, there's also a wheelchair area. Time to ring the bell as I'm reaching my destination, Kasteelplein. Since this video was created on the 31st of December 2024, here are some New Year clips from the New Year Festival in Antwerp. I hope you enjoyed the video, and part 2 is here for you to watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next vid.